Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a recipe that I have no idea what the name is, but I'll find out. But basically it's just like creamy chicken pies, or tarts sort of thing. These things, do you know what they are? It's pronounced vol au vent, but it's probably not right. So Australian. But anyway, this is what they look like. You can get all different sizes. Sometimes you get bigger ones, but you get a pack of 4 in Coles and stuff. So I've got just a spare pack, just if I make more. But I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really easy. And if you like creamy, sort of carbonara type things, or you know, chicken and veggie sort of pies or anything like that, it's really nice. So yeah, you just have as many of those as you want to make. Just make sure you got enough chickens. I've cut up about 1 decent sized chicken breast, but because these are little, I've cut them quite little, so you can kind of see, yeah, they're not big. And then all you need is some garlic, fresh is best, minced is fine, an onion. I tend to use the whole lot because of the sauce, a can of the evaporative milk. You can use full cream, but I've got the light version today. And then I've got some super sweet corn, and then some peas. You can get the mix that has the carrot, peas and corn. I'm not really a fan of that. I don't really like the carrot. So I guess you could put your own carrot in if you really wanted to. Just like, you know, julienne some carrot up. But I think for now I'm just going to do it with these two and see how I go, because I've never actually made this. This was my sister's recipe and she used to make it all the time, so she was one that made it. But yeah, thought why not? Kind of in the mood for eating something like that. And the good thing is that when these are baked, they become really crispy and flaky, which I really like. So it's been really crappy weather. We're on lockdown. It's the perfect time to have a creamy chicken pie. So here we are. So hopefully you enjoy this one. Just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And you just want to cook this so that the onion's done. You don't want to, you know, brown it out too much, because it will be going in the pie, or the casing. So I'm just making sure the garlic is sort of spread around, otherwise it'll burn. And I'll just let that fry. And then just make sure you've got everything. So I've only got the small can, which is the 125 can of super sweet corn. It fills half a cup. Okay, so I'll do the same with my peas. half a cup. So now the chicken is going to go in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the corn, but if I don't use it all, I don't use it all. I think I will though, yeah. That's a nice size for this amount of chicken. Because you don't want the pie just to be chicken. And then sort of want to do the same with the peas. You can use frozen corn. I like the super sweet, so that's why I've gone with that. But it's the perfect size, right? It's all just, yeah, really good. But you can put carrot. Like I said, I'm not doing that on this occasion, but if I did it, I would cut them into like strips. Put a bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Alright, so I'm going to add the evaporative. Doesn't have to be the whole lot though. You just want to coat it. So it's about just over half a can for now. And if it doesn't thicken up, so I'll do 3/4. If it doesn't thicken up, you can add a little bit of corn flour, but you just want to let it cook. And I'm going to simmer that. So it's starting to thicken, but it still needs a little bit more. So if it doesn't thicken enough, I might just put a little bit of corn flour, but it's looking pretty good. Alright, you can see it's really thick now. I haven't had to add corn flour. Just let it simmer. So that's thick enough that it can be put in the pies. So to show you, so all I'm going to do is just carefully scoop enough of the mixture in. So make sure you're putting enough chicken into each one too, and really fill it. Sprinkle so that it's covered. So I'm going to put them in now and see how they go. I've got one of the two that I made to show you so you can see sort of how the inside looks. It's really nice and toasted because I cooked them in the oven and then put the grill feature on to really make them toast in the end. But you can see it's creamy, it's got layers just of all the chicken, the peas, the corn, and it's crispy and crunchy and nice. So have it with chips or potato or something. But yeah, can't wait to dig in. So hopefully you like these as much as Nikki did when she made them. But yeah, I look forward to making more and just having that recipe that I can, you know, keep making and thinking of her. So enjoy, guys. Thanks.